What's up, guys? It's my brother's truck. 2001 GMC Sierra SLE with a 6.0 V8. Pretty cool. It's got Terry grapplers with moto metals, tinted windows, whole shebang. Ranchero shocks. You can see that. Rancheros. Only in the front though. He's got Trailmasters in the back, which you might not be able to see from here, but I'll go underneath. SS Trailmasters. Alright. That's pretty much it. I mean, spare tire in the back wouldn't fit underneath with the hitch on, so they took the hitch off originally and put the tire on, but my brother wanted the hitch, so we put the tire in the back and put the hitch back on. That's the agway over there. Currently haven't done shit to this thing, only the welds right there on the back and on the other side and on the front right there, but that's pretty much it with that thing. There's the deck. That's the truck, forklift. That's pretty much it, guys. I guess I'll see you. Peace.